Good afternoon, volleyball fans. Masantos yung aram na imbaga mulang Pangasinenses. Are you now ready to witness another exciting rallies of volleyball action here at Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center? Because this afternoon, we will be witnessing the 5 games in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026, held under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon V. Giga III. Volleyball fans, be ready because for our game 1 in the men's division, it is the battle between the municipality of Infanta having 4-2 standing versus municipality of Mangatarama having 3-3 standing. So volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our live stream dahil for sure ang ating first game here in the men's division ay magiging exciting and magiging intense. Kaya volleyball fans, just be here and because our game 1 in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss Sam. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor Ramon V. Gica III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. It is another exciting Sunday afternoon here on day 15, and we are ready for another round of intense men's division volleyball action. To all our viewers watching online and to everyone here inside the venue, thank you for joining us and spending your Sunday afternoon with the best volleyball action from across Pangasinan.
Yesterday gave us plenty of exciting matches, and today our teams are back on the court, ready to fight for another important victory and continue their journey in this tournament. Before we get into the action, we would like to once again extend our sincere gratitude to our beloved Governor, Ramon V. Guico III, for making this tournament possible and for his continued commitment to grassroots sports and our local athletes.
Through the Governor's Cup, athletes from different municipalities are given the opportunity to showcase their talents, compete at a high level, and represent their communities with pride. More than just competition, this tournament continues to build camaraderie, sportsmanship, and unity among our Pangasinense athletes. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing.
Now, volleyball fans, let's get right into our first men's division matchup of the afternoon. On one side of the court is Team Infanta carrying a solid 4-2 win-loss record. Infanta is coming off a loss in their previous outing, but with 4 victories already in the tournament. This is a team that has clearly shown its ability to compete and challenge strong opponents.
Today is another opportunity for Infanta to bounce back after a tough result. They will be looking to make the necessary adjustments, regain their rhythm, and show that they are still one of the teams to watch in the competition. Standing across the net is Team Mangataram, currently holding a 3-3 record. Mangataram is also coming off a loss in their last game, which means both teams enter today's matchup with the same mission. It is to bounce back and get back into the winning column.
This makes today's game even more interesting. Neither team wants to carry the results of their previous game into this matchup. Both will be looking for a fresh start, and both know that every point could make a difference in their standings.
Will Infanta use their 4-2 record and experience to take control? Or will Mangataram respond strongly and prove that they are ready to turn things around?
Who will make the better adjustments? Who will handle the pressure during the crucial rallies? And who will walk away with the much needed victory this Sunday afternoon?
We're about to find out. I'm Maria Victoria Ferrer.
And I am Joseph Soriano.
Together we'll be bringing you every serve, every spike, block, Dig an exciting rally from this men's division showdown here at the Governor Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. So get comfortable and get ready. Infanta versus mga taram. Let's get the action started. First 6 for Team Mga Taram. Player number 8, player number 10, player number 15, player number 2, player number 1, and player number 7. First 6 for Team Infanta. Player number 8, player number 6, player number 20, player number 11, player number 1, and player number 4. For the opening serve, team captain, jersey number 2, Ventanilla. Received by Silvestre Behar sa open, and first blood, Team Infanta.
Bihar serving. Tobias sets it to the open. Carmelo gets the point for Team Mga Tarum. Disher serving, and an ace for Team Mga Tarum. Player number 7 serving. Disher. Kane sets it to Silvestre. Good ball. Free ball ibibigay para sa team. Point.
Quick attack there for Salvatierra.
Salvatierra.
Tobias to Miguel. And there's no check ball, point for Team Infanta.
Salvatierra.
Received by the captain, Tobias to Miguel. And that is not over. Point for Team Infanta.
Tobias to Miguel, pushes that one out. Point for Team Mga Taram.
On the service zone, Carmelo. Kane to Silvestre, andun si Hans. And a regalo for Guerrero.
Janos serving. Tobias dumps. Kane chases that one. Miguel. Good ball. Tobias to Miguel. Andun ulit ang libero. Kane to Silvestre. Ginawa ng paraan.
With an angle there.
And miscommunication between the libero and Guerrero.
Serving. Miguel. Kane is set. Free ball for Team Mangataram. Tobias sa gitna. Block and Tobias with a 1-2.
Serving, Miguel. Kane sets it to Barnachea. Tobias. From the pipe, Miguel. Andun si Ferrer. Kane back sets to Silvestre. Tobias sets it to Bentinilla. That is inside. He finds zone 1.
Miguel. Kane to Barnachea. Breaks through the block. And that is a point for Team Infanta.
Serving for Team Infanta. Silvestre. Tobias to Ventinilla, drops. Silvestre is there. Barnachea.
And the point is awarded to Team Mangataram. Tobias. Net violation committed by Behar. Another point for Team Mangataram.
Tobias.
Kane, quick attack for Guerrero. Guerrero. Si set para kay Hans. Blocks of cover. Cornelio sa gitna. And that is a point for Team Mangataram.
Serving jersey number 6, Cornelio. Kane sets it to Salvatierra. Blocked. He will now give a free ball. Tobias sets it to Carmelo. He is blocked by Salvatierra.
Eight serving 9.
Barnachea serving.
Point for Team Infanta. And just like that, we are now tied at 9. Barnachea. Tobias para kay Hans, and he is rejected. Another point for Team Infanta.
Barnachea.
Short serve, and that is an ace for player number 11, It's a 4-0 run here for Team Infanta. Serve. And a regalo for Janos. He'll take it.
And Mang Ataram will call for timeout.
You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Infanta and Team Mangataram. This is just the game 1 of our men's division for this Sunday afternoon. The timeout on the side of Team Mangataram to ice the server of Team Infanta.
Serving for Team Mangataram, team captain Ventinilla. Kane sets it to Salvatierra, checked. Tobias to Miguel, swipes that one. Kane to Janus.
And it catches the line. Tobias, isa set para kay Hans.
Off the hands of the libero. Check that, Barnechea.
Serving. Hans. Received by Barnechea to Silvestre. What a powerful attack targeting zone 5. Salvatierra. Good reception to Miguel, and net infraction code on Team Infanta. Point for Team Mangataram.
Carmelo now serving for Team Mangataram. Mayo over receives that one. Carmelo. Kane to Silvestre. Tobias to Miguel. He is blocked.
With a little stare down. Serving Janus. Received by Ventinilla to Miguel. And he is blocked again. Back-to-back points for Guerrero. And tinawag po dito ang team captain ng Team Infanta. I think it's about the celebration after that block. Serving. Janus. Sharp serve. Tobias to Cornelio, but that is too wide. Another point for Team Infanta.
4-point cushion here for Team Infanta. Janos serving. Tobias 1-2 play. Point will go to Team Mangataram. Someone caught the net. Miguel. Kane.
Attack error committed by player number 13.
Miguel. That will sail out for Team Mangataram. Silvestre.
Behar to Barnachea. Guerrero. Received by Ventanilla. Tobias to hands and gets it through the blockers of Team Infanta. Baba sa 2-point lead. Behar to Barnachea. That catches the line. Kick side out here. Tobias to hands, deflected. Behar to the middle, Salvatierra. And Team Mangataram will use their final timeout this set dahil Infanta is up by 4.
Our official score is 21-17. Barnachea. Tobias to Carmelo, gets it through the block. Bentinilla. Kane to running Salvatierra. Ventinilla sets it to hands. Finds zone 5. And Team Infanta will call for time.
Dahil baba ang kalamangan nila sa 2. Our next game po dito, Game 2 ng Men's Division ay Team Binmalay and Team Bani. serving. Ventanilla. Kane to Janus, and that is off the block. Good response by Team Infanta after that timeout.
Kane serving. Soriano receives that one. Tobias back sets to hands. Barnache is there. Silvestre off speed. Free ball ibibigay para sa Team Infanta. Janus ginawa ng paraan. Kane to Silvestre. That.
And did you see that?
The crowd loves that spike coming from Silvestre.
And they love that stare down. Tobias to Miguel, and ganun din ang ginawa ni Miguel Marquez. A little showdown here.
Hand serving. Kane back sets to Janus. Andun si Soriano. Tobias to Miguel. Mayo is there. Kane to Janus. And Carmelo blocks that one. This game is loving by this crowd.
And a flex after that rejection. Hans misreceives that one to Silvestre. Pushes 1-2 play, and the new libero Kane. Error, and isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Infanta, and so they call for time. This is just the first set of Game 1 ng ating men's division. Huwag po kayong aalis. Ang next game po natin ay Team Bani and Team Binmalay.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. First game po ng men's division dito sa Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. Hand serving. Kane to Salvatierra.
And Salvatierra will serve. Set point for Team Infanta.
Salvatierra serving. Ventanilla receives that one. Hands set.
And Miguel is blocked by Guerrero. That ends our first set, 25-22.
You are back. We are back here at the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. We are now at the second set of first game of the men's division. This is between Team Infanta and Team Mga Taram.
First point for Team Mga Taram. Hans. Over received. Kane to Salvatierra. And first point for Team Infanta. Tobias to Carmelo. Kane to Salvatierra, and he is blocked. Kane to Janus. Doug. Miguel, top ball, and a point for Team Mga Taram.
Carmelo serving.
That is straight to the net. Free point for Team Infanta.
Kane sets it to Silvestre. And a violation for substitution here. Bentinilla in. Fernandez out. Miguel is on the service zone. Kane to Guerrero. Tobias to Rillion. Good ball. Bentinilla is blocked. Rillion to Bentinilla. Doug. Kane to Barnachea. Miguel is there. Tobias chases that one. Bentinilla. That sails out. Point for Team Infanta. Dump set. Kane back sets to Silvestre. Tobias. Kane kneeling sets to Guerrero. Tobias. Two hands.
No check
That
ball.
is
Serving. Silvestre. Tobias to the middle. And then si Silvestre. To Barnachea. Infanta up by 1. Silvestre. Received by Miguel. Sinet para kay Ventanilla. Ando si Silvestre. To Barnachea. Pushes that one and pumasok sa block ng team mga taram. So point for Team Infanta.
Silvestre. That will sail out. Rillion now serving. Kane to Guerrero. He is blocked.
And deadlock at 7. We're seeing from our side, nag-warm up na po ang Team Bani. Kane. And that is a point for Team Infanta.
Guerrero serving. That is out.
Back-to-back service error here for Team Infanta. Deadlock again at 8. Serving. Team captain, Ventanilla. Sharp serve. Sa set. Sa open, blocked, but that will go out.
Barnachea. Tobias to Miguel. That is out. Barnachea. Soriano is there. Back sets to hands. Point for Team Mga Taram. Hands. Service ace for Team Mga Taram. Our official score is we are tied at 10. Hands. Kane to Janus. Gets it through the block.
Kane. Received by the libero Tobias. Set it to Miguel and then yung libero Kane. This is set para kay Janus and he finds zone 1. And Team Mga Taram will call for time. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Team Infanta.
Our official score is 12 to 10. We're still watching the Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. Substitution here. Season in. Hands out. Carmelo serving. Mayo receives that ball and Salvatierra touches the net on that attack. We are tied at 12. Carmelo. Kane back sets to Janus. Season is there. Carmelo sets it to Tobias. Kane back sets to Silvestre. That is off the block.
Salvatierra received by Ventanilla. Season is set para kay Tobias. And that is outside, so point for Team Mga Tarong. And we are tied at 13 all. And a service ace.
Mataram has now the lead. Miguel serving. Kane to Janus.
What a combination play from Team Infanta. Serving. Janus, sharp serve. And the service ace for Janus.
The lead is now back to Team Infanta. Janus. Season to the middle. Buhay pa ang bola. Guerrero off speed attack. Gets the point. Janus.
And the service error. Tobias. Nabol ni Silvestre. Guerrero. That is off the block. Season is set para kay Ventanilla. Drop ball. Season to Ventanilla.
Trillion serving. Kane to Barnachea. Guerrero gets that point.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is still our Game 1, Team Mangataram and Team Infanta. Nasa second set na po tayo ng ating Game 1. Guerrero, Tobias to Hans, and he scores right away for Team Mangataram. Serving, Vendanilia. Smart play by Barnachea.
Barnachea serving. Free ball para sa Team Infanta.
Serving, Barnachea, received by Hans. Tobias to Carmelo, push. Kane to Janus, blocked. Andun si Mayo. Tobias backsets to Hans, and that is off the block. On the service zone, jersey number 7, Hans.
Barnachea sets it to Janus. Tobias to Miguel. Is block outside. Point for Team Mangataram. Hand serving. Janus is blocked. Good ball. Tobias. Soriano sets it to Tobias, and that is a point for jersey number 10.
And we are now tied at 20. Tatawag po dito ng timeout ang Team Infanta.
Hand serving. Janus is blocked. And the lead is now goes to Team Mangataram. 21 serving 20. Hands. Kane back sets to Barnachea. Tobias. Miguel ginawa ng paraan. Kane. Salvatierra. Good ball. Janus dumps. Gets the point.
Deadlock at 21. Receive with the libero Tobias. Hands from the pipe and the new libero Barnachea will set it to Janus. Is there a check? There's a check ball. Ang tawag ng ating second referee. And our first referee reverses the call to Team Mangataram. Mangataram is up by 1.
Carmelo. Service ace for Team Mangataram. That is inside.
23 serving 21. But Team Infanta will use their final timeout here sa ating set.
Two-point lead here for Team Mangataram, 23-21. Kane goes to Silvestre, blocked.
No coverage on the part of Team Infanta, and Team Mangataram is now at set point.
Carmelo. Kane chases that one. Barnachea.
Sends it long, and we are going to a third and deciding set sa ating Game 1 ng Men's Division this Sunday afternoon.
You are still watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. This is the third set of the first game between Team Infanta and Team Mangataram. Janos serving. Tobias to Carmelo, draws the first blood for Team Mangataram. Serving. Jersey number 7. Hans. Kane sets it to Barnachea. Gets the point.
All one.
Kane. Tobias to Carmelo. That point is for Team Mangataram. Carmelo.
Attack error committed for Team Infanta. 3 serving 1. Good reception. Kane to Silvestre. And that is off the block.
Guerrero. Tobias sets it to Hans. Over receive. Tobias to Miguel. There is no check. That is out. Point for Team Infanta.
Guerrero sends it long. Substitution for Team Mangataram. Fernandez out, Ventanilla in.
Miguel. Kane back sets to Silvestre. Good ball.
Cover. Deflected. Para kay Tobias. Soft touch. Kane.
Tobias sets it to Ventanilla. Off speed. Silvestre. That will be out. Point for Team Mangataram. They are up by 2 points. Miguel. Kane from the pipe.
Service error for player number 11.
Tobias Kane.
To Salvatierra. What a play. A quick play. Point for Team Infanta. Serving. Silvestre.
Service error there for Team Infanta. Rillion now serving. Kane to Janos. That is out.
Three-point lead. And a service error committed by player number 4, Leon. Salvatierra. Tobias, one hand set to Hans. That is a double violation.
Team captain now serving. Ventinilla. Silvestre sets it to Guerrero off speed. Carmelo to Hans. That is inside.
Timeout, Team Infanta. Mga Tarom is now up by 4. Next game po natin, Team Mabini and Team Bani rather, and Team Binmalay.
Substitution here. Monta in. Kane Bihar out. Ventinilla. Monta back sets to Janus. Gets the point. Janus. Tobias to Hans. That is off the block.
Substitution here for Team Mga Taram. 7 out, 19 in.
Season. That is off the block. Point for Team Infanta.
Season to Miguel, straight to the net. And Team Mga Taram naman ang tatawag dito ng timeout.
Serving, Monta. Miguel. What a stare down for jersey number 8. Carmelo. Monta. Sa gitna para kay Barnechea is blocked. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng team mga Tarom.
Still serving, Carmelo. Sharp serve, Monta. Isa-set para kay Silvestre. And that will not go over sa side ng team mga Taram. Serving. Service error for Carmelo. Official score is 10, serving 14.
Guerrero, short serve. Season, Turillon.
You're asking for a check, but no.
That is outside. Guerrero. Season. Miguel ginawa ng paraan. Barnechea is checked. Barnechea dumps. Season. Back sets to Tobias. And she finds. Miguel. Monta. To Barnechea is out. Our official score is 16, serving 11. Miguel. Monta sa gitna para kay Salvatierra, works. Barnechea. Season 1 handset Turillon. That will work for team mga Taram. Substitution here. Biason in. Barnechea out.
Tobias straight to the net. Quick point for Team Infanta. Silvestre. Season sets it to Ventanilla. Monta. Para sa open and walang tao doon sa likod ng mga blockers ng team mga Taram. Babalik na po dito si Hans. And Season out.
Silvestre. Over receive. Monta 1-2 play. Tobias is there. Ventanilla. That is off the hands of Silvestre. Monta to Janus. That is blocked. Still a 5-point lead here for Team Mangataram.
Serving. Jersey number 4, Relion. Received by the libero, Silvestre from the pipe. Nickel play setter here, off the block. And then yung libero sa likod, but that is outside for Team Infanta. 6-point lead. 20 serving 14.
Relion. Monta. Drop ball. Carmelo. Joust. Point for Team Mangataram.
And Team Infanta will use their final timeout for this match.
Relion serving. Monta to Janus. Miguel is there. Tobias back sets to hands. And net touch violation.
Errors piling up here for Team Infanta.
Relion.
Montay bibigay para kay Janus and may check ball, so point for Team Infanta. It's a 7-point lead pa rin for Team Mangataram. Tobias will set it to middle, but masyadong mababa yung set. Tobias sa set para kay Ventanilla and she's blocked by Janus.
Tobias. Two hands. Gets the point.
Substitution. Ventanilla out, Fernandez in.
Fernandez serving. Monta to Janus.
Let's wait for the call. And the point is awarded to Team Mangataram. Match point. 24-17. Service error by Fernandez.
Serving Janus. Tobias to Miguel. And that ends our first game. May kasama pang flying kiss galing kay Miguel.
Congratulations to Team Mangataram for winning this game.
It was an intense first game we just witnessed. Volleyball fans, kita naman natin mula sa dalawang municipality how they gave their all inside the court. Mula naman sa municipality of Mangatarem, hindi man naging maganda ang kanilang first set pero kitang-kita natin ang kanilang eagerness when it comes to their powerful attacks and also sa kanilang solid defense. While sa municipality of Infanta naman, napakaganda ng kanilang start. Pero during the second and third set, kita natin ang kanilang unforced errors and also sa kanilang several service errors na nakita natin mula sa municipality of Infanta. But in the end, it was Team Mangatarem who won this first game. So congratulations for our winning team, but still congratulations for municipality of Infanta for giving their all. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 7, Hans John Disher, having 11 attacks, 2 aces, 1 block for a total of 14 points. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin na naging maganda yung game ninyo between Team Infanta. So what makes you eager or yung team ninyo para mas makabawi and mas maging matapang pa sa loob ng court?
Kasi po, wait lang ako. Sorry. Shoutout agad. Sa totoo lang po, ngayon lang po ulit ako naglaro sa team na to and yung gusto ko po na, yung eagerness ko po na bumawi po sa team na to kasi ilang training and ilang games po akong nawala, yun lang po.
Yes. And kahit nga ngayon ka lang ulit nakapaglaro, naging POG ka pa and naging malaking bagay ang contribution mo sa team ninyo. So, ano naman yung isang bagay na nagpahirap or pinaka na-challenge kayo mula sa Team Infanta?
Ang pinaka nahirapan po kami ngayon is yung hindi po kami nakakompleto sa training, ganun po. Tapos, and yung connection po namin, tapos yung open spiker din po nila, mga mahusay din po. Yun ako.
So, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Salamat po sa mayora po namin, si Mayor Jensen Viray po. Thank you rin po sa mga sponsors namin and thank you rin po sa LGU Mangatarem po and sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin ay mas lalo po sa girlfriend ko si Marga Bailaw. Tapos si mga binifam po, yun lang po. Happy birthday pala kay Andre. Thank you po, thank you po.
Bini pa, hindi mo na shoutout.
Shoutout po sa Bini. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations.
Shoutout. Shoutout.
We would like to extend our gratitude sa sponsor po from Canada.
Yan shoutout sa mga tarong pickleball.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our first game here in the men's division. But stay here in our live stream dahil meron pa tayong remaining 4 games in the men's division in the Western Conference. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.